Don't worry if English feels difficult sometimes. You're going to understand more and more with every video.
Hey, Mark. How was your week?
Pretty busy, but I'm finally free. What about you?
Same here. I need to relax this weekend. Do you have any plans?
Not really. I was thinking about going for a hike on Saturday. The weather should be nice. Would you like to join?
That sounds great. I haven't been outside much lately. Where do you want to go?
There's a beautiful trail near the lake, about 40 minutes by car. It's not too difficult.
Perfect. I can bring some sandwiches and fruit. What time should we meet?
How about 9 a.m.? We can have coffee first.
Good idea. By the way, do you know if the trail is busy on weekends?
Sometimes, but early morning is usually quiet. After the hike, we could stop at that small cafe near the lake. They make amazing homemade cake.
I'm already excited. It will be nice to talk and enjoy nature. Thanks for inviting me.
No problem. I think we both need a break from the city.
Hi, Anna. You look a bit tired today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Lisa. Yeah, work has been really stressful lately. I have so many deadlines.
I understand. What's happening?
My boss keeps giving me new projects. I stay late almost every day. I feel exhausted.
That's not good. Have you tried talking to your boss about it?
Not yet. I'm afraid he'll think I can't handle the job.
I had the same problem last year. I finally told my manager I needed better planning, and it helped a lot. Maybe you can suggest weekly meetings to organize tasks?
That's a good idea. I'll try. By the way, how do you manage stress?
I go to yoga twice a week and try not to check work emails after 8 p.m. It really helps. You should try it too.
Thanks, Lisa. Talking to you always makes me feel better. Let's go for coffee after work one day.
Definitely. You're not alone in this.
Hello. Come in. How are you feeling today?
Hi, doctor. I've had a bad headache for 3 days, and I feel very tired.
I see. Did anything unusual happen before the headache started?
I've been working a lot on the computer and sleeping only 5 to 6 hours.
That can be the reason. Let me check your blood pressure. It's a bit high.
Oh no. Is it serious?
Not yet. But we need to change some habits. First, try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Also, take short breaks every hour when you work.
Okay. Should I take any medicine?
I'll give you vitamins and something for the headache. But the most important thing is rest and exercise. Do you do any sports?
Not really. I want to start, but I don't have time.
Even a 30-minute walk every day helps. Come back in 2 weeks, and we'll see how you feel.
Thank you, doctor. I'll try to follow your advice.